how do you want to feel? I mean, how do you want to feel when you wake up in the morning? How do you want to feel when you move through your day, when you interact with your people, when you do your task at work and at home? How do you want to feel in your body? How do you want to feel in your life, right? How do you want to feel? And what do you want to know? What do you want to know about? Like, what do you want to learn? What skills do you want to deepen into? What do you want to like understand better about yourself, or about nature, or about plants, or about Qigong? Or what do you want to learn about music? What do you want to know? What do you want to learn? And who do you want to be? Who are you? Who do you want to, when you tap into your essence and you allow your essence to unfurl, who's that? Right? So these are the questions that we ask. And as you know, I'm about to lead people through a journey through the foundational roots of Qigong. And as with every trip that you take, every journey, every adventure, it's a good idea to get a sense of where are you in the present moment, where are you starting from, and where are you going to end up at the end. So when you reflect on what is it that you want to know, how you want to feel, and who are you, who you're becoming, when you reflect on that and you're like, okay, so I want to feel, how do I want to feel? Well, I want to feel fit. I want to feel beautiful. I want to feel connected. I want to feel resourced. Yeah, I want to feel, actually, I just want to feel just simply satisfied with where I am without always trying to have to fix and change and do something different and have it be something different than it is. I want to be accepting of what is and just go from there, really simply. And I want to be able to trust. I want to trust. And I want to know myself. So that's what I want to know. What do I want to know? I want to know myself. I want to know my essence. I also want to deepen my capacity to be present in this eternal now, and to be a facilitator and a teacher and a guide. Yeah. So those are things I want to know and feel. And then the my essence. My essence is really, I can feel it. I can feel it. I can tell when I'm being myself, my essence self, and I can tell when I'm not. It's hard for me to describe, but it's really simple. Like, my essence is love. My essence is nature. My essence is Tao. It's simple. It's just the unfolding of my nature. But when you're thinking about a journey of where you're starting and then where you're ending, so when you think about what you want to know, and how you want to feel, and who you're becoming, how much of what you want to feel are you feeling now? Like right now, how much of what you want to feel is how you're feeling right now? And how much of what you want to know and learn do you already know? How much do you need to know? What do you need to learn in order to get to where you want to be? And what needs to be processed or released or revealed or let go of or accepted or allowed for you to emerge as yourself? So with those questions in mind, know that those answers are inside you. And if you want to feel energized in the morning, and you want to sleep well at night, and you want to just feel more comfortable and healthy in your body, and if you want to learn like an ancient art, but yet a modern art of embodiment, of breath, of mind. So it doesn't matter what you do, but the qualities of your mind and your consciousness when you're doing it. So if you want to improve your attention and your awareness and your ability to be in your center, and you want to know yourself, then, and you're already on a journey, you already have so much experience with this, so you know that I can't just say, well, join my class and you'll have it all in 8 weeks. I'm not saying that, but I am saying if you'd like to feel those ways and learn these skills and allow yourself to emerge, then consider joining us for the Foundational Roots of Qigong. And I would love to practice with you and see you and witness you and celebrate you as you unfold, as you emerge, and as you learn the skills of presence and the skills of tapping into your innate healing capacity and sharing those with others. All the information is on the page, and we are starting in 2 weeks. So now's the time.